3 by 5x plus 2y by 3 the whole square minus 3 by 5x minus 2y by 3 the whole square. Wonderful. We can expand this. We use the idea of a plus b the whole square. We use the formula a minus b the whole square and then expand it and then simplify it. I'm going to do that. But before that, I'm going to think about a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Or this is just 4 times a times b. Or for our case, the answer will be 4 into 3 by 5x into 2y by 3. These two will go off. 4 into 2y is 8y by 5x. So this idea where we can imagine it as a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, that is very useful. Let's do this the traditional way. A plus b whole square will be 9 by 25x square plus 2 into 3 by 5x into 2y by 3 plus 4y square by 9 minus 9 by 25x square minus 2 into 3 by 5x into 2y by 3 plus 4y square by 9. 9 by 25x square minus 9 by 25x square. 4y square by 9 minus 4y square by 9. 2 into 3 by 5x into 2y by 3 plus 2 into 3 by 5x into 2y by 3. This gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. 4y by 5x plus 4y by 5x, 8y by 5x, which is this. We did this in much simpler form by thinking of it as a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square, but we can expand and simplify it like this.